Okay, so example 4 asks us to find the mean, median, and mode of the following data sets. We did mean and median yesterday. It's the same as it was. The data set there is 3, 2 3s, 1 4, 1 5, 3 6s, 7 and 8. If they're asked for median, the first thing I'm going to do is, as I see the data set, I'm going to copy it down in numerical order, smallest to largest. So I write down every single number that happens and the number of times it happens. So 3 happens twice. We got 1 4. We got 1 5. We got 3 6s. We got a 7 and we got an 8. If I just count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points of data. Make sure you copy them all down. Main mistake people make in these types of problems, they leave a number off. So make sure you get the whole list. I do know there are 9 numbers. One thing they're not asking me for in this problem, and we haven't asked me for yet, is range. If they were asked for range, just in case, the range is simply the largest number in your data set minus the smallest number. So the range of this is 5. So if they should ask for range, that's all that is. So mean is the sum divided by the number of numbers. So the mean here is going to be something divided by 9. And the something is just the sum of all these numbers. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, 21, 27, 33, 40, 48. So 48 divided by 9 is going to give me the mean. And if I punch that in the calculator, I'm going to get 5 and 1/3, so 5.3 repeating. And of course, if they ask me to round it, I can round it to whatever. So 5.3 repeating is the mean of this set of data. The median, 9 is an odd number, which means the median is going to be the middle number. There's going to be a single middle number in this data set. So here is the middle. And you can see that I've got 4 numbers below, and I've got 4 numbers above. So again, for an odd set of data, there'll be exactly 1 number in position in the middle, but they have exactly the same amount of data on either side of that. So the median of this is equal to 6. And finally, they asked me for mode. So those are 2 things we did yesterday, mean and median. The mode is simply the number that happens the most. And there's 3 possibilities for a mode. First possibility is there is no mode. Every single number happens once, you'll say no mode. The second possibility is there's exactly 1 number that happens the most, that's the mode. The third possibility is you have multiple numbers that happen the most. So if there are 3 6s, okay, so 6 is the mode. If, play a little what-if game with you, if there was another 3 here, now there's 3 3s as well, so the mode would be both 6 and 3. All right? So again, you can't have more than 1 mode, or you can have no mode at all, or you can have a single number mode, depending on what happens the most. All right, so that's how you do mean, median, mode. And again, those are our typical measures of central tendency. Mean and median are the ones that are used most often for purposes of doing anything. Mode is more like, I don't know, if I'm hitting golf balls, the mode might be important for me in that scenario where I kind of hit most of the balls around this number. That would kind of give me an idea. Where, you know, if I'm hitting 120, 150, 180, more numbers than 150s, the 120, 180 don't matter as much as the numbers in the 150s. So, you know, that kind of thing. So, you know, mode is just, if you need to know what happens the most, that's where that's helpful. Median, more towards the middle usually.